Hi everyone, I'm back with yet another Squid Game DIY inspired by the pink soldiers. It's really easy. Start off by printing out the templates. I use 120 GSM paper, which is a little bit thicker than normal paper. Alright, now cut out the rectangular boxes like this. Next, add glue and stick both pieces together. Wait until it's completely dry. Once it's dried, cut out the pink soldiers. The front and back should align perfectly. You can leave it like this, or you can cut out transparent book covers with adhesive to seal off your bookmarks to make them waterproof. Stick both sides like this. Cut them out. Don't forget to leave a few millimeters all around. Your Squid Game Pink Soldiers bookmarks are now completed. As usual, these templates are free to download. The links will be in the description box below. In return, do give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks again for watching and happy crafting! Bye!